Yo, yo, yo. Okay, good. Uh, and then
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Speak.
Yeah, yo, yo.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. Let me just. Okay, nice. How's everyone doing? How are you doing, Pat?
Not bad. Apart from my rib fucking hurting.
Yeah,
It's
not
annoying to be honest.
getting properly moved.
No, I can move, just as like bad just like just bad pain to be honest. Like certain angles I sit.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any background noise?
No. Can you speak for a minute? I'm gonna check if the volume is okay from my recording.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello,
Okay,
hello.
good.
So um yeah, I think JD's gonna hop on around 15 minutes and then I
Yeah,
have a I have a call with Rob at 4:30, so I guess
yeah.
uh,
Just
I can come back
yeah,
and then share my screen afterwards.
yeah,
That was a pretty nice 4 hour close though on
yeah.
BTC.
I was looking at it and I was thinking to myself. I mean, if we would have closed below 98.8k, would have leaned more bearish, but we basically fully bought it up on spot as well, so that's pretty good. So I thought we were gonna like a back into tomorrow morning, but as it stands right now, as long as we hold above like 98.8, things are super bullish. I could even go as deep as 96k, to be honest. 90.
Yeah, I mean think we're probably gonna go like 103 today and tomorrow, and then
Yeah,
pull back into inauguration.
yeah. Inauguration probably gives another rate step. I don't think we too much of a pullback, but give a good like people over leveraging into it because they're getting more confident as we're moving up here, especially after a lost after the start of the week. Right, Monday it
Yeah,
was all hellfire and doom and gloom. Now we closed above the range, and now we're pretty much good to go again. We're already above 98k, which is nuts to me. I mean, I thought it would take long, honest.
yeah. I was just looking. Peanut popped up on spaghetti. It looks pretty good, you know.
Coinbase to the
I kind of like this peanut
coin
chart.
Coinbase.
Let me check the flow. That's a nice diorama, to be fair, on BTC, that like 1 minute chart. I was watching it.
Uh,
We flushed like just after New York Open, like flushed a bunch of longs. Then you had like shorts piling into the lows, and then we've just squeezed them all out almost instantly.
Typical New York Open long.
Yeah.
So like pretty nice.
You're lagging a little bit. Your mic is lagging.
Am I?
Yeah. Is he lagging for anyone else or just me? Oh,
What?
Peanut was listed on
Yeah, yeah.
uh, officially listed. The chart looks pretty good as well. It's quite a nice reclaim on the 4 hour, 30 minute. Alright, I'm gonna hold off,
yeah.
but a minute looks
Nice daily as well, to be fair. Like this
yeah,
59 reclaim.
yeah, that's the same I got. I'm gonna watch the low time through here for an entry on Peanut and Griffin and also Fartcoin, I think are good. And XRP. These are basically my main longs for the day I'm looking at into today and tomorrow because I think we're probably going to leg up to like 103. So I think it's probably a safe bet chasing some things pretty soon. Are you in any positions?
I was long Sol, but I closed earlier at. I trailed my stop to 206 out.
Oh,
Because
it
I didn't
took
want
you
to
right at
risk
the
too
bottom.
much. Yeah, it took me out and then it bounced after the
Yeah, fuck.
New York Open shenanigans. Thought we would pull back further, to be honest, so I'm not too bothered about how I played that. Locked in money.
Yeah.
There's a new limit at around 197.5. The H12, we have some nice demand there. So in case we get a flush like into Monday or something, we can fill nicely in this green zone.
Yeah,
Like
I like that.
195 and 200.
190s is a nice area as well. I agree.
Like take out the news longers and whatever we had today, and then we should keep going up.
Yo,
Yeah, man, how's it going?
Yo,
yeah,
JD,
good,
what's
bro.
up?
How are you?
Good.
Good. What are you looking at, JD?
Litecoin and XRP.
I was just looking at
2017.
XRP as well, to be fair. I know it's crazy.
Just hit all-time high today.
2017, man.
Litecoin
XRP and Doge been my biggest gainers so far this cycle.
That's so funny, man. I mean, if XRP flips this 130 level, it's just gonna keep on rocketing up. Looks fucking insane.
I think LTC is gonna go to like 180, 200. Like they've just been approved for the 19.4B, which means the SEC's got the deadline. Like they have to say yes or no for the ETF. So like literally, like LTC is actually get the next coin to get an ETF potentially.
That's crazy.
Yeah, because obviously thing will be out by then, by the time the deadline is, unless they like reject it preemptively, which I don't think they're gonna do the next few days.
Imagine LTC gets an ETF for Sol.
Bro, imagine it gets an ETF here and it gets more influence than ETH. Like, I think I'll go live on stream and end myself. I'll blow my
I mean-
fucking brains out.
I mean, realistically, they've kind of done this like the similar thing over the past couple of years, have they not?
What do you mean?
Like returns wise, ETH and Litecoin, they've probably got like I don't know the complete stats. We can look, but it seems like they have a pretty similar returns over the past 3 years.
Oh, don't make me
what's
bring up
like
the LTC ETH chart.
Let's
Oh, this shit is down only, but LTC was like what, like $1,000 before, no? Or something stupid.
I think it peaked at
Yeah.
600.
400, not even 600.
Wasn't that John's first coin? He bought like the Pico top and then went down.
I mean,
like,
it's broken from like 1,000-day range, which is crazy.
yeah, it's like Aztec's most bullish bag,
Hmm.
and gel as well. But yeah, like I've been long LTC since last night when the Eric and James posted that news about the rumors, and then today we've got the 19.4B actually being filed by Canary.
So it was rumors last night.
Yeah, like check my corner. I posted both the tweets yesterday at 11 p.m. and then today I haven't posted the actual, but Aztec's posted it.
It looks like majority of these like high caps right now. I know it's had a bit of a catalyst, so it's moving mad, but Like a lot of these L1s and high caps are looking very similar to like the Litecoin chart. I think we're pretty close to like a decent rotation now, aren't we?
Litecoin's gonna leg up. JD out by him.
You've gone like bare quiet.
His mic's been cutting out.
Oh,
1 sec.
oh, the guy
Fucking-
who does music has got fucking shit.
Yeah, it's always the same. Man works in sound and he can't figure out his mic.
You can also turn up the volume, you know?
Nah, you're like cutting.
How am I cutting?
You're not anymore. You're not anymore.
Okay. I was saying if LTC starts rallying to 180, it's gonna outperform ETH by a mile in the past tree, like year over year. Painful. Hello, Mouse. How are you doing? Free to hop on. Like, what else do we got? Gas was also leading since the bounce. I mean, it still is in the high cap section. And Link.
You say Kaz?
Interestingly. Caspa. And Ling as well. Apart from like the majors like Sol.
Yeah, Hassan was HVJ was shilling Link this morning. I was listening to his stream.
Yeah, Cas looks good. Wiv also looks pretty good in the meme section. And then
Yeah, I filled some nice
Dynawise
bids
LTC.
at 1.5 on WIF, to be fair.
Nice.
155. It was just like blatant area to bid, like the massive range low.
Yeah, it was literally like do or die level.
Yeah. Which I think
Can't
was
believe people are
a
so
case for a lot of things. Yeah. It was very similar vibes to July bottom where like it was almost like if things didn't bounce, it was just like it was bad. That was gonna be really bad.
Yeah, like,
Which
I don't know how people can like I don't know tell themselves like before Trump's even in the office, and before Trump's actually in office, like oh the whole thing got priced in. He's going to be in office for 4 fucking years. Like, do you know how long that is for like to happen in the market? They were like, nah, macro tops in, it's all over.
Imagine the inauguration as the Coinbase IPO top. Don't make sense.
I don't think it would be, but I do think that we can we sell off a little bit early next week and then properly bomb.
Yeah. Yeah, I would like for us to bottom on Monday, to be honest. Usually it gives a very easy setup to just stay long throughout the rest of the week as well. What else do we got? Popcat's doing alright today as well, even though the short doesn't look great still. We've been performing a lot better.
Billy to Billy.
Billy to a milli, yeah. 100%.
What happened to Billy to Billy, bro?
Relying on some ginger Watson to pump our bags. True.
Usually talk. Oh, Trump, Ginger Watson,
Trump.
crazy.
What else do we have?
Yeah, Def's got me. I'm Ginger in real life. Pattern Impulse have met me.
Yeah, that's true. True, 100%.
Is that genetically possible?
I think I've seen a albino black guy with ginger hair. Like he had like a ginger high top, and like he was albino, so he was like white skinned. But yeah,
That's weird. Bet he looked odd. Bet he looked unique.
I mean he was an albino, so he already like stuck out. And then he was like,
Yeah.
like my parents are black, and I was like, fairs.
I'm gonna have to chase
BTCD
Aave
is
soon, man.
it's looking weak, man. Like double rejection from that 58% now. Like surely it's just gonna go for like 53, 54%.
Yeah, 54 at least. Then also have some fun trends also getting broken here. So should just tumble down.
Mm.
Wait, have you not seen the H bar news?
No.
No.
The ETF guys again, like said, after Litecoin, it's not going to be Sol, it's not going to be XRP, it's going to be H bar that gets an ETF.
How
Why?
much? How much did it
I
pump?
don't actually know the reasoning, but they've said it like they've said it's going to be the next one. And if you look at the H bar chart, it's literally identical to XRP before it broke out. Like even in this like dump that we've had in December, um, it didn't even like dump at all. And
It's
like,
quite an old coin as well, right?
Yeah,
yeah, I think it's one of the OG coins. Let me find up
from
the.
last cycle.
Let me get up the tweet to post.
Yeah, that
Oh, I
weekly
see
looks
it,
fucking
yeah.
ridiculous.
Looks identical.
Yeah. So I think that's gonna do well. If LTC goes to like 160, 180 over the next few weeks, people are gonna narrate the H bar trade and be like, yeah, front run it because it's gonna be the next one.
What about Fartcoin ETF?
Fartcoin should go to 5 bill. Find the tweet.
Fartcoin ETF confirmed?
Price me at right.
Yeah. So the SEC has officially ruled on H bars as being not a security. So it's like the only one which has got like a green light. That's his reasoning.
Hmm.
Fair play to Dip Wheeler, to be honest. He's been bull posting this stuff from like 1 mil, relentlessly. Wonder how much he's made on it.
What are your thoughts on these Dino coins? The rotation from them should then be to which coin or coins? Like, as in, like, you talking about like XRP and stuff?
What are you asking me?
No, as someone said in the chat, and then I was asking him back, like, which Dino coins is he referring to?
I mean,
Probably all the ones that are
XRP,
pumping.
LTC.
XRP actually looks like it's going to leg up here again.
I think it's gonna flip ETH, but like flip ETH in the FTV value, not by market cap.
That would actually be
Bro,
like,
go check. Like it's literally like 15% away or 20%. Like that is literally one daily candle and it's flipped ETH.
Is it actually?
man, if I was an ETH maxi, I would actually top myself if that happened. Imagine your coin getting flipped by XRP.
Doing
I
the
think it's
same
the
Fair, it's like
XRP
third. It's
out of all
third.
the coins in crypto has the most aura.
Why?
Because
I
of
think it has the most delusional holders.
but she's got aura in it. Like Bitcoin has like, like their maxis like sometimes can be a bit wet, bit gay. ETH, like Vitalik, you can't back that guy, bro. Like he's just moist. Like XRP, it's just a bunch of like, I don't know, just some like cold-blooded retard to like, yeah, it's gonna replace the entire financial system in Swift and it's going to $589. Like I can get behind that.
Those are the type of holders you need, right? Saying your
Exactly.
shit.
Like Garlic House, like he's got aura, like he's like that pic he posted with Trump. Like if I was at desk when I saw that, I think I would have just all in my net worth. That's what I'm saying. Like, look. Once the banks start using XRP, it will go to 10k, bro. Like, I'd rather back that than like some nerd on Twitter going like, yeah,
Classic.
ETH's going to 5k.
That is JD, to be fair. He does turn up in Dolce and
Spitting
Gabbana.
image. Spitting image. Really. I mean, XRP to $6.9. Flips
He
it.
has 588 followers. He's following 588. Surely he's trolling. Like, why wouldn't you just make that fun? Speaking of Dino coins, ADA actually looks kind of good. Look at the weekly on ADA.
ADA.
I tell you what, if we're talking about aura, then Charles has mad aura. That guy.
No, it's not Charles. It's fucking what's the link guy's name?
Charles
Sergi.
and
Like,
Nonce,
the
man.
Sergi guy memes are fucking funny.
Nah, Charles is the goat, man. He has like a pet eagle or something, doesn't he?
Also, calling it ADA instead of ADA is it's a fucking crime.
He also calls ENSN, so that's okay.
That, like, genuinely might be retarded.
Cannot confirm nor deny.
Oh, that silence was fucking deafening.
I don't know, man.
Average
ADA.
$3 or $4.
ADA looks really good if it closes this daily above like 112. Then it's
Look at the weekly.
good to go.
Look at the weekly.
Yeah, the weekly is nuts.
Again, it's just like what I was saying about this, like the Litecoin chart. Like all of these high caps and L1s, they have the same setup with just like flagging into weekly levels. And it just looks so obvious, but it really does with BTCD now showing like weakness. I think a lot of these high caps are going to run. Like you just focus on high caps here. Like clearly the trend is like, you know, Litecoin, XRP, Sol like showing strength today with like Sol news. Like just put your like focus on L1s and high caps and then rotate out once these start like getting exhausted into like, you know, mid caps and memes and stuff, I think.
Also, like the whole thing about like Trump wanting to make like an American only like strategic reserves of just American coins, like this guy just bleeds USA, man.
So ETH's fucked, yeah?
Yeah, I swear he's not even Russian, he's Ukrainian or some shit.
Yeah, it's Ukrainian, but he's born in Canada.
That CZ, he says like, I'm not Chinese, and he's Canadian instead.
What?
CZ, everyone says like it's part of like the Chinese nationalist party, and like when anyone ever accuses him of being Chinese, he says, "Nah, I'm Canadian," because he was born in Canada. He just does not claim China.
CZ Chad. Speaking of CZ, BNB again is another coin that looks pretty good on the weekly. The only problem is it's like so slow lately. Like it trades so slowly. Like look at that weekly.
I don't like trading it for that reason.
The BNB weekly looks like it can go to 1K.
Link can give a nice setup if it closes daily above like 23.8.
Link. We're started talking about ADA, Link, and Litecoin. We're cooked. What happened to buying new shiny coins?
Which coin were you saying? Nice.
Me?
I'll eat. What was it?
Yeah, I mean, like ETH will pump. Like ETH for me, ETH is like most definitely going to go to all high time this hot cycle. Like, there's no doubt about it. And I think it can like go to probably like 7K. Like this week, the weekly is textbook, like inverse head and shoulders, really.
Why does XLM look so good?
No, we're not doing this.
I mean, I'm just gonna keep holding Sol.
Like, if for me, if we get like, I've had that this area on ETH BTC for a while, but like 0.03 on ETH BTC, I think if we go there, I will all in ETH. I've had this area mapped out for a few months now, since like October.
Oh yeah, you're talking about BNB.
Oh yeah, I was talking about BNB.
BNB is curling up on the 3 daily, basically.
We're back to the point of the cycle where like
Like,
most coins you look at have a decent setup, and like, it's about like putting your money in the right ones around the right time, really. And like, you look at three things and you buy some spot on one of them, and the other two pump, and your bag's left flatlining. It's always the case, isn't it? I think we're going to run like 102 here on BTC. 1, 2, 1, 3. So potentially like a nice place to look at some intraday longs, maybe on like XRP. I think XRP you could probably scalp here with like 3% stop. Lower time frame. Say looks pretty good. I bought spot on that today. Yeah, I think might call the trade for the group, to be fair, on BTC here. See how this 30-minute, if this 30-minute closes, they've got 2 minutes till this 30-minute close, and I will probably. By the way, JD, if you might have muted your mic, I'm not sure.
No, I'm still, I was still
Oh,
here.
okay. I noticed you hadn't spoken for a while, and I was worried you had done the same thing as usual.
Well, it's, you know, I'm so autistic. Yeah, I've got the HyperX mic in it. You know how it like lights up red.
That's the same one I got.
Yeah, so I've
I
got
changed.
it, and like, because it's
Go on.
obviously lit up when it's like on, but like I just get very excited by the color, and I just start tapping it on and off, and then I realize that I've just left it off. I just like keep playing with it, and then yeah.
I have it inverse, so mine is muted.
What yours is on when it's not lit up?
Mine has no light when I'm talking into it.
Oh, yeah, I should have it like that.
I have a call with Rob in a minute, and then I'll come back. But yeah, I think XRP and BTC can leg up here, so I'm taking a scalp on both of them. And then when I join back the stream, probably everyone's liquidated, so I apologize in advance.
why is Impulse wearing a hijab? I'm not. I mean, you're imagining. I mean, if VTC closes, I mean, it all basically closed above. It's 1 minute close. Closes above 99.2. It's just gonna keep on going. I didn't expect us to be this strong, to be honest.
All right, I'll be back in a minute.
The liquidation run we had.
In a bit.
See you, Pat. Flip this diagonal trend line as well, and we're probably going to all-time highs, right? What's your take on AI agents, JD? I know you're more in tune with that than me.
Yeah, I think AI XBT is going to be leading. I think it should hit 1 billion market cap easily. I think like it's the only legit crypto XAI crossover that we've had, rather than all like the fake tech shit that like we had with like FET, Render, Ocean, all them coins. Like, I don't think that's real crypto XAI, but like having these AI agents trading, and like they can do a lot of innovation in that sense. Like they can replace a lot of analysts and interns jobs at funds, where you basically just have a bunch of AI agents working for you and just having one or two main like portfolio managers who like come up with like who do all like overseeing all of it. But yeah, so I think AI XPT will lead the space, and then I think how do we say Def AI or whatever that narrative, like Griffey AI, AI 16, all of those coins, they should do well as well. I'm not really sure about virtual anymore because I feel like that ecosystem got kind of diluted with all the agents launching, and AI XPT is kind of actually bigger than virtual itself.
Charts still look great though, across the board. Like apart from GOAT, but I don't think GOAT's still relevant anymore anyway, so that doesn't matter. What's Sarah, TSG?
No, I've not seen Sarah.
We're gonna keep on pumping, aren't we?
Yeah, I think the market looks good for now.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought we were going to 95k earlier, but we just immediately V-reversed.
It's quite an aggressive dump, that's why.
Yeah. What's Telegram doing? You guys have any coins you want us to look at? Feel free to post them in the chat, by the way.
Yeah.
Bommel, I know that CA, don't worry. That's Griffin.
We
Isn't
should
it?
just listen to Carl, man.
Yeah, we should just copy trade Carl.
Literally, the last AI coin he showed us was Tau at $20. We faded that. Now he showed us Griff AI at like 2 mil cap, and we faded that.
I could never hold as long as Carl though. Fuck me.
Yeah, I'm surprised it
That's
didn't
just
capitulate during that crash we had.
CGAI. 20 mil in 5 minutes of launch. Amazing. Cannot be legit, can I mean, I don't know. Probably a farm, but it's very hard to tell with some of these coins that launch and then rip straight out of the gate. RDNT. You mean RDNT on Arbitrum? Because that coin is dead, man. It's the same one at least from years ago. Yeah,
Deking, that's the coin that Tex is showing, isn't it?
yeah. I haven't looked at the chart to be honest. This one, right? of these base. So interesting if you zoom in. And it's pretty much stuck in this 20 mil, 25 mil range. Doesn't look bad though. Just needs to consolidate for a big run up. As it doesn't lose this 20 mil level, should be good. You send me the CA for Radiant. Okay. Send CA. I didn't. Yeah, Hype's a good one. Are you still in Hype, JD? I know you were.
Yeah, I've got some staking just for the airdrops that they're gonna do. But I also getting PTSD when we staked loads of TR and got fucking one air. Was it one or two? We got two, right? Alt and
Yeah,
Dime,
two.
and that was it. And we were gonna get.
Yeah.
We were told we'd get 20.
I mean, for me personally, it paid back for my cost basis, but still, I'd still been asked to fucking in general.
Yeah, that was people even staked Dime thinking Dime would get airdrops. That was
Yeah.
just ridiculous.
Hype looks pretty good here, to be honest, on this $23 reclaim. As long as it holds here, it looks very good. So this is a good double bottom, and then basically confirmed it by moving higher and then just flipping this big res we made. Now you want to see it move aggressively towards 26, and there it'll probably reject a bit, and then it'll keep moving up after some consolidation. This ITXS 1 million market cap. I mean, not much TA you can do on a 1 million market cap coin.
Who showed you this?
Danny.
It's a
83k
good
volume.
coin.
Yeah, ARC's good.
Hello.
Hello. Let's do ARC.
I'm up 1.5% on my XRP long. I'm gonna make it.
Fuck, should have taken it. Shit, it's back it up. Bro, it's gonna rip to $4.2 without anyone getting another entry.
This looks good.
ARC is a really nice bottom on the 3 daily.
In XRP, BTC, kind of wanna. Oh well, I'm in hype as well. I think, but I'm in hype from earlier. I think the 4 hour looks really good on hype.
Validation on hype is pretty clear as long as 23 hold.
Morpho had news today, right? That's why it's pumped a lot.
Yeah, you can. It's like something to do with Coinbase loans or some shit.
You know. What's up?
I don't see why we don't go to like 102 here on BTC. Like today, tomorrow, or like 102, 103. Especially off that bounce.
You know, took quite a beat.
You cut out again.
You know, took quite a beating.
This fucking guy, man.
Cut out again.
He's cutting out.
I'm not talking. What are you saying?
No, but you did.
Like,
Now he's cut out again. I thought he was responding.
Yeah, send some chart requests.
hey, there's loads up. Up in the chat. Been digging through them.
IO token. Let's have a look. IO. What is this coin?
This Radiant token is like an old Arbitrum coin. ESG. I mean, fundamentally, not a lot of people use it anymore because basically nobody uses Arbitrum. Yeah, I already shorted Zero earlier, sort of. This should serve as a nice bottom, to be fair. This whole like shakeout below 29 cents. And as long as 29 cents holds, that's your line in the sand. Looks pretty okay here. I would wait for a bit lower to long it again though, but your invalidation is pretty clear below 29 cents.
This is a new coin, IO. 3-day looks pretty good on that IO coin. Be fair.
Yeah, XRP looks so good, man.
Yeah. Zero Zero Bro, I've been seeing this on CT. What's going on with this Zero Bro coin?
Looks okay now, to be fair.
Yeah, just got
Below
mega
29 was.
It's a cold coin or what?
Yeah.
Usually when I see something like randomly all of a sudden float up on CT, like talked about by like multiple people, it tends to be just a cold coin. Hey, you guys watched season 2 of Arcane? Yeah, I started last night. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I hated it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because they
Any of
only
it.
so
Don't
much.
no spoilers.
No, but there was just so much fucking music and musicals and whatever. Like, just give me some dialogue, you know? I don't know. Felt like they tried to fill a lot of scenes with trick me. Shitty music, that is.
I was gonna when I longed BTCL, I was gonna long that far coin. I don't FHA. It's up 6% now. Probably should have longed it.
BT pairing on Pepe.
Griffin.
Pepe and PC charts look almost identical on a daily time frame, both under this diagonal resin once they break out and our rips, man. Pepe can surprise a lot of people.
Hey.
Don't see it on the timeline at all.
4 hour doesn't look bad, to be fair.
Yeah, we had a lot of these like flips. This like this initial breakdown, accumulation, whatever you want to call it. And a deviation and then a reclaim of that level. Give you nice invalidation levels.
My
Ave looks incredible as well.
Where did my hype bits fill? $229. No. My other hype bits just missed.
Should get some hype. Been looking.
Yeah, Aave, another. Would you class Aave as a dino coin now? Or no?
Nah, DeFi.
DeFi coin.
Well, it's got like that respect of being like tried and tested through multiple cycles.
Yeah, it does its job. If I get 295 on a liquidation wig, I'm going all in again. Confirmation. Unless it doesn't give me that, of course. It is also likely.
IO is a soul coin. Do a few more chart requests and then call it a stream if you want. See you, Romeo.
Yeah, in
Sure.
a bit, Romeo.
That works. Take care, Romeo. Yeah, Abe looks so not. Might have last. I don't get my entry in the next. Hold it for 1K. What's the market cap on it?
Pretty high, but it's fully diluted, so it's quite cheap. From
Yeah,
that perspective.
5 bill. Go to 10 easily, no? Maybe 20.
Depending on what Trump does before DeFi, but yeah.
But that was probably like the stupidest trade not to take as soon as Trump won, was to not just buy Aave. I longed it, but I closed it out. I'd
There's
like
so
took
much
profits
shit
on
that
it,
was long,
but like
closed.
it was so dumb. Like that was such an easy trade just to buy Aave when Trump got into office. Like, stupid.
I mean, if we're lucky, we get one final 300. That's really
NBM,
nice.
we were talking about it at the start of the stream on Peanut. The 4 hour and daily looks pretty good. Nice reclaim on it. I'm mostly waiting for the lower time frame here to get long on Peanut. If I see something on the lower time frame, I am gonna long it. But
What are
yeah,
you looking to get? Pat,
what's that?
what are you
What am I
waiting
looking
for to
for?
get long? Yeah.
Maybe a little sweep into 5.8, or
Yeah.
I'll show you on lower time frame. We'll basically just like try and trade this meme line on it. Let me find it here. If the lower time frame does like something like this, get that little meme line breakout, probably
Yeah.
jump into it.
Yeah. That makes sense.
No, should we call it a stream?
Yeah, been on for about an hour.
If anyone's any final questions.
No, nobody asks questions in our chat. They just troll us.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dev just joins to troll us, and the rest is spectating.
But yeah, I think we should probably leg up here. If we don't, then probably gonna go down to like 96s, aren't we? If we can't continue off that bounce.
Yeah, if
Probably
this H4
96.
closes back,
Yeah.
we
All right,
would be
guys.
glad to sell off into the inauguration, to be fair, but that's what we get to the end
Yeah,
of the week.
I'd rather sell off following it, but yeah.
Yeah. I mean, especially for the start of the week.
Monday in it.
Thanks for joining, everyone.
Yeah, appreciate you all. See you lot next week, same time.
We can we can rearrange the time maybe.
Yeah, could do that as well. Alright.
See
Have a good night, guys, and have a good weekend.
you guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.